Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a retro pack opening, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Hopefully we can get a lot of okay, we get one in our first pack, so it's good. Hopefully it's a good player though. It's France. Striker, Griezmann could be someone like that. Oh, it's Gomez. I think he's too decent. I'm not sure. 92, that's decent. Okay, but yeah, hopefully we can get a lot of the team of the seasons. We don't get one in this one. We get a team of the week instead. Another French player. Jesus Christ. Hopefully we can imagine we pack Ronaldo or Messi. That'd be amazing. And we get another one. So we already packed two. Oh, Messi. It could be Messi. Aguero. Oh. It's no one. Right, 88 is too good. Johansson. We get a walkout here. Hazard, De Bruyne, one of those. Oh, it's De Bruyne. We just got De Bruyne. Nice. Is he like 89 in this game? He's 89 rated. That's decent. We get another team this season. Let's go. Oh, it's another French player. Centre back. Who is this? Kimpembe. Nice, 91 rated Kimpembe. That's good. On to the next one. And we get another one. Oh, okay, it's not a walkout, never mind. There's another French player. What's with French players today? Oh, we get another one as well. So we got 3 in a row. Just don't be French. Okay, it's Spanish. Who's this? Oh, is that Alberto, isn't it, for Lazio? Yeah, it's Alberto. Is he good though? 91 rated. I'll take that. It's decent. Dybala as well. No, okay, we didn't get a team of the season, but that's fine. Get Cahill. Got no one as well. Who is this then? Who is this? And we get another team this season. Let's go. This is probably like one of the best pack openings for retros. But, oh, Ronaldo! This could be Ronaldo. Oh, okay. Patricia. Okay, it's not even him. It's what's his name? Lopez, isn't it? Yeah. 91. I'll take that. I kind of preferred Ronaldo, and we got Fernando. That's probably it for this video, guys. We finished on 2 teams this seasons. Thanks for watching. Please.